Okay, so now who did you want to call?
Bobby.
All right, let's call Bobby and Tyler, okay? Here, let's dial the phone.
Is it me on this phone or this?
This one, that phone.
Bobby? It's still calling. Bobby?
She'll answer. You'll hear her say hello.
Hey, honey.
Hey, Bobby, I pooped out the potty, a big one.
What was the big one?
I pooped out the potty, a big poopy.
You I'm so proud of you. Oh, my God, that's wonderful. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wow.
And did you want to call Bobby to tell her?
Yeah.
And whose idea was it to go poop and pee on the potty?
Me.
Oh, was that fun?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah?
Yeah.
And
Oh, I'm so glad. And you had fun? Did you go to the pool today?
Mhm.
Yeah, what else? What time is it? It's 5:30. Are you getting ready for dinner?
Yep.
did you eat dinner?
Mhm.
No. You know what?
What?
Today's Sunday. Then what comes? Monday?
Tuesday.
Okay, I guess it's calling on Wednesday.
Bobby.